Hello everyone, welcome to episode 32 of the multiplayer tutorial for Unity3d. Today I'm showing you how to finish off the bots. Also my voice may be a little bit quieter because I have changed the position of my microphone. Yeah, so first of all we need to go into Network Manager. Is that the right project? Yes it is. Yay. Network Manager, where are you? Network Manager. Now, down in the no, that's wrong. In user player, that's it. We need to quickly create a string owner name, and then in here, in Network Manager, in the server bot joined and server player joined, we need to go in here temp dot last player dot owner name equals username, and do the same up here in the client player joint as well, and then in user player where we have equals get player network view owner, comment that out and go my player equals network manager dot get player owner name. Now this is for the bots. I mean, if you're not doing bots you don't have to do this, but if you want bots then do that. Yeah, so now if we add a bot, hopefully should be okay, and then we'll have to change some things in the damage as well, and then I'll get on spawning and the actual AI of the things. I'm typing the password wrong. Oh, nearly did it again. Hello, come on. Was it not capital H? Guess not. There we go. Team deathmatch start. Add bot, bot. Now, as you can see, bot 2 that works perfectly fine. Now each thing has a player blah. Is that bot 6 or is that? Yep, good. Bot 5. Okay, good. That's fine. That's perfectly fine. That works. So now we need to create the bot logic, don't we? Which create a new script here, so C# script bot, so yeah, just bot logic, I guess. Yes, so we need the on level loaded, so void on level loaded with all its capital letters. And then we want to go, oh yeah, also public user player, I guess. Player equals get component user player. And then we also need to go in what the hell is it? User player. User player, user player. If my player dot is dot bot, go add game object dot add component bot logic. Just that. So yeah. Is that now on level loaded? We want to first of all kill the player, so player dot player dot. Now how? Hang on. Dot network view dot RPC. What is it called? It just die. It is simply die. Good. With no parameters. Die rpc mode.o, that is it, and then we need to send through spawning, so like we did in here with where is it, spawn, so yeah, to spawn, there we go, just go network view spawn. So yeah, I mean that's the spawning done. I mean, it's that simple. Obviously, hang. I may have done something wrong. No, I haven't. To look. Okay. Okay. Good. Now, we should load when we load the. Oh, I keep typing password wrong. Hello. Login. Boop. Game mode start. Add bot. Start. Blue. Yes. Now. The bot isn't alive. Why is the bot not alive? Oh, it hasn't added it for some reason. Bot. Okay. Why has it done that? Hang on. In network manager. Oh, we didn't say it. Yeah, we did. Well, that's odd. Let me see quickly. TZ, hello. Login. Doop. Add bot. Okay, it doesn't set it as a bot. Right, why does it not set it as a bot? Did I call the wrong method? I probably did. So, server bot joined. It calls. That's why. It calls the wrong. In server bot joined, you need to make sure it's calls the RPC client bot joined instead of player joined, like I stupidly did. So now, it should make it a bot. So. And what was the difference in there? There was none, other than that, okay. Good, start deathmatch, blah. Add bot, and now it should be a bot, and it is a bot. Good, now I'll start, and it should spawn, which it did not. Okay, that's there. Why hasn't it spawned? What is on level loaded? I probably typed on level loaded wrong. Right, I will quickly search for that. Unity3d on level loaded. Okay, yeah. I typed it in completely wrong. On, I think I'll keep this open. It's very useful. On, where are you? Level loaded. What the hell is it? L. Oh, that. Fair enough. Now, why is it? Okay. I guess I just typed it wrong. It doesn't have to have an int, does it? Guess not. Nearly did my password wrong yet again. Login, yes. Oh, without. Team deathmatch. Start, add bot. Okay. Yeah, it spawned. Good. So. Now, unfortunately, what it does. In spawn, we have this. We need to go if not bot. Balls. If my player dot. Yeah, that. Else. This could be a bit of a pain in the arse here. I guess we would do this, and I guess the logic would be on the third person player then. I guess that's what we'll have to do. I actually haven't done this pre-hand. This is all being made up on the spot. Because I'm useful like that. But this series will probably be coming to an end soon enough, and there it is, as you can see. Why am I alive? Hang on. What is my why is my player bot 2? Suicide. Okay, why is my player bot 2? Default cam. Why is and default cam is apparently not set. Right. Anyway. Where is this? That's why. Right. In client bot joined, where we got my play equals temp. Get rid of that. That's why it set my player to the bot. Because yeah. Anyway, now in user player, where we set, where we go, where is it set? I'm trying to find the position setting. I think it might actually just be in that. Yeah, I guess it is. Right, in here, you're going to go if my player dot bot. So if not bot rather, and then just put it around cur at the top of cur pose and then around cur thingy. Same with that down here, and then in here. Yeah, actually in the else we don't need to do anything, but in the is writing put else there now and go cur pose equals third person dot position. Oops. And cur rot equals third person dot rotation. So now it will be synchronized with the third person player if we are a bot. Now we need to do the actual bot logic. So we've got spawning working, obviously. And now what we also need to do, which I forgot, we need to go exactly like we did in here. So spawn index, just copy and paste that in the spawn. Under die in the bot logic, go player, remove my player dot manager, player dot third person dot local position, third person local rotation, yep, that's perfectly fine. Good. Now start that bot now should have spawned somewhere. It hasn't. What is not set? Spawn next random range to spawn points 1 and die. Okay. Well, I can spawn. There's the pickups we did a couple of episodes ago. We shall see. There's that. Now we somehow actually I guess we could loop around until there is a level manager. A level manager found. So I gotta remember how to do this. I'll go into the user player where we set the player at the very top with the while loop. Where is that? Request player while not has player return under frame. Yeah. So in here while level manager dot instance. So while not level manager instance, we need balls. Okay, we need to create a enumerator. Do spawn stuff, I guess. and just pretty much cut and paste everything from on level was loaded into there. And then we want to go, also we need to stop the quarantine down here. So stop quarantine, do spawn stuff. And then we need to start the quarantine up in level was loaded. So start quarantine, do spawn stuff. So basically what it's going to do is that's going to get called when the level starts, and then it's going to loop around in there. Well, so long as there isn't a level manager.instance available, it will loop around and yield return a new wait vent frame, and then as soon as one is available, it will then spawn. So yeah. So to the hello. Oops, hello wrong. That's a fail. How long have we been going? 15 minutes. Damn. Pop. Right, bot. It is a bot indeed. We'll start. The third person has not been set of level. What's its face? It's so like to birds gun. Variable level managers. Ugh. Balls. I guess we'll have to do another while loop. Yeah, it'll do the index, and then it'll go while this not this player dot third person, so long as third person is a thing. Basic. Oh no, because third person gets set in spawn, doesn't it? How are we gonna do that? I guess we'll spawn it and then change its position. That might be a better thing to do. I guess that'll be the easiest thing to do. Start, add bot start. Ah yes, it's spawned, but it's what's its face hasn't worked. Don't know why. Oh, spawned inside of him. But the label is over there for some strange reason. Right. So in user player, sorry this is taking so long. I should have really done this pre-hand, shouldn't I? Do I have fixed update? Curpose gets set there. If not bot, yes. I don't know why that's not working at all. I guess, hang on, let me just debug.log. I am a bot. I will pause it while I get this fixed. Right. The problem was that it's the position was being set by the server and it wasn't working, basically. So I want to go if my player.not.bot, remove that. We need to go in update. If my player.bot, then go curpose equals third rotation, and curpose equals third person position. That should work now. Yeah, low, do start add bot start. There you go. That is now being set, as you can see. And when I move him, it doesn't drop to the floor. Oh, that's a fail. Right, okay, so in bot logic, do spawn stuff in here. This is basically where we're going to add all the components and target. No. Right. Yeah. So now we need to, in the bot logic in do spawn stuff, we need to add a character controller to the third person. So player dot third person dot add dot game object dot add component character controller. We could also add a character motor too, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just have a quick look at FPS input controller. Input jump. Yeah, we can add a character motor to it as well. So go player dot third player dot there we go dot game object dot add component character motor, and then we'll control the character via adding inputs to the character motor. GZ, hello. Oh, should log in, and hopefully those two components will now be added to the player third person once we spawn them in. Oh, yeah, good. There, added. That's fine. That's perfect. So now if we move them up, he should fall down. He falls down. Good. Let me just check the collider has been set well. Yes, it has. Good. Ooh, hang on. Dot radius 0.3. Okay, what I'm gonna do quickly is remove the destroy player dot third person dot game object dot collider, and then go player dot third person dot game object, for God's sake, third person dot get component character controller dot radius equals 0.3 f, because that's what the collider was, so it's just to get it looking decent. You should mess around with it and assign the values that you want within the script. So now we got that, what we want to do is be able to find the nearest player and then pretty much just walk towards him. If the nav mesh was in the free version, I would do a tutorial on that, but it's not Uni Pro for that, so I won't do a tutorial. I'll just show you pretty much how to walk forward, and then they're walking the walls, and then maybe in another episode I'll show you how to do avoidance so they move out of the way and stuff. So yeah. So we need to create another method. Void find. Actually, we'll go player. Find closest player. It's a method, so I need the brackets. Right, we need a player closest a distance which we have float, so distance equals math f dot infinity. That is a float, isn't it? Yes, it is. And yeah, I think that's it. So for each, we'll just do it attack every player no matter what its team's on for now. So player actually nah, p in network, oh for God's sake, network manager.instance.player list if p.curteam does not equal player.myplayer.curteam. Continue, and then we want to find the distance. So, oh yeah, we use a vector 3. Vector 3 pose equals my player. For God's sake, player dot third person dot position. There we go. We need to find a difference. So vector 3 p diff, I guess, equals p dot manager dot cur pose minus, oh yeah, also not third person, my player, it would just be my player dot cur pose, wouldn't it? Dot cur pose minus cur pose, and then float mag equals diff dot magnitude, or srq magnitude rather, sqr magnitude, and then go if mag is less than distance then cur closest equals p, and then distance equals max equals mag rather, and then we're going to go return p, or sorry, cur closest. So yeah, now we want to sorry about that. I want to go user player closest, or player closest rather. So I'm going to go update. I guess we'll just do it in the update. So player, come on, closest player equals find closest player, and then go user player dot look, come on, player dot third person dot look at closest player dot manager, okay, closest player dot cur pose. I think that's right. Yeah, that should be fine. Now I'll just look at the closest player. Use not convert badge. Well, it's not. Oh, oops. That was a fail by me. Oh, for God's sake, what? Closest player dot manager dot cur pose. There we go. Happy now. Also, we want to go quickly because sometimes we might not be able to find a closest player. So if closest player dot player name does not equal to string dot empty, then look at it. Now we're going to have to make a move towards it in a minute, but I just want to check. Oh, for God's sake. What? Use unassigned variable. Well, it's not. Fine. What if I said it's a var? Would that work? No. What? Right. So we need to go player, sorry about that. Player. That. Oh, come and highlight that away, and variable. I guess we'll just return it in there, and then down here return null. There, there's that. So now when we won't get any error because we checked to make sure that it only looks at it when there is one. As you can see, it's not doing anything, it's just stood there. Okay. This is where the player name. What? Okay, well, when we spawn, the error should stop and he should look at us. It doesn't. Why is that? Well, the error doesn't stop. Okay, so let me make that public and I'll check that it is actually getting set. And we're going to do if mag is less than or equal to distance as well. TZ, hello, oh, come on, hello, login, hosts without, yeah, blah 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 blah, start, add bot, yes, yes. That isn't getting set, inevitably. So we spawn, still doesn't get set. Why does it not get set? Why is that? Why is that? Why is that? That's very, very odd. Is it because that's there? Maybe? I don't know. Maybe return P. Try that. Has that been set now? No. I can't help but feel it's something to do with that, so hang on a minute. Right, I got it to set it, so instead of going if p.curteam does not equal to player.curteam, just go if p does not equal to my player.myplayer. But for some reason it still doesn't look at it. Don't know why. If closest player, just that. So I guess if p is not equal to my player and p dot is alive. Find this player, blah blah blah. Person to look at, closest player, dot manager to compose. Yeah, it seems okay. Maybe I go manager to third person, that might be a bit easier. So, and then in here we just want to go while not balls. Well, I'm gonna have to get you back to this next week. I got the spawning, and this has been a really long video, I'm sorry about that, but I got the spawning done, and next week I will get everything else done. with the actual AI and the shooting and that. So yeah, cheers for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, rate, subscribe. Remember to like our Charlie Point Facebook page and follow me on Twitter for smaller things. So yeah, cheers for watching and bye.